China confirms new case of avian influenza. A victim of avian influenza H5N6 residing in Guilin City of Guangxi Autonomous Region died on September 22, 2021. The 26-year-old female, who had exposure through her household raising poultry people, developed symptoms on August 14th. 5 days later, she was hospitalized and sadly succumbed in September. According to the World Health Organization, the H5N6, a subtype of the avian influenza A virus, is widely known to have originated in live poultry people markets and has a high mortality rate of 65%. As of October 2021, China has recorded 21 cases of H5N6 infection for the year, compared with only 5 in 2020. Experts have expressed concern about the mounting number of cases, which could eventually lead to a pandemic if the virus becomes transmissible between humans. Our heartfelt condolences go to the family of the deceased patient. May her soul rest in peace. To avert zoonotic outbreaks, may world governments urgently ban meat consumption and implement vegan law in Buddha's wisdom.